Well, for such a beautiful pot, we're going to use this nice piece of salmon, cook it in here. The fact that it's copper and just cooks thoroughly throughout, very even, I love it. Got a full review here in 10 seconds, but man, do I love this thing. Just not even for cooking, but honestly, just an art piece. It is beautiful. Here you go. I want to share with you guys this amazing saucepan. This is made by Sertodo, 2.5 quarts, hand hammered, made out of copper, heavy gauge copper at that. This is honestly, outside of just cooking, it looks like an artist piece. It looks so pretty. I love it. And you take care of it. It's going to be around for generations. Very, very well done. So I want to go over some features that I really, really like about it. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some cooking in it. First of all, copper, hand hammered. So every single one is going to be unique compared to another one. They're all unique, one of a kind, which is really cool. Some things that I really think that is really cool about this saucepan that sets it apart from other ones is really their whole line of things is the patented handle. How it works is you can see that there's three pieces of metal right here. Now this is stainless steel, which obviously metal is conductive, but it's not that conductive because of how they created it. So that air, if you're cooking it on, heat, fires going on, it's going to come through here versus if it's just a solid plate and it wouldn't, and that would transfer to you with this. It passes through. Of course, it's still going to warm up, but if you grab right here, it's not going to be like other ones where you might be like burning yourself. This one is going to be just nice and warm to the touch. And it fits really well, like how you're grabbing it like this. It kind of just sets right in there. It feels good. But the thing is, this has some weight to it. This heavy gauge copper is, you might be able to see like it is some thick piece right there. Copper, very conductive. Stainless steel, not nearly as conductive. So what's cool about that, with it being copper, it's going to distribute the heat as far as the cooking area very well versus like it just gets hot in the middle or something like that. It's going to distribute it for better cooking, better taste, just all around, which is great. Same thing goes for the handle, which is really nice. One thing that I think is cool about copper is kind of like leather. Boots or whatever like that. The more you use it, the more life it has to it, the more flavor it has to it as far as like the look. Copper is the same thing. It's going to age over time because of the heat and then the washing and so on and so forth versus just like other pans where it gets like dull. This one is going to get more flavor and life to it, which is really cool. I think so. It just like keeps changing over the course of time, but because of the materials that they used and the way that they forged it, going to be around for a very, very long time. One thing that's cool is, if you've been cooking, you got sauce and you want to pour it out and then you lift it back up and then it just drizzles down the side. Not cool. So this one, how they have it is they have it just barely kind of curved over here on the side. So when you do pour, it's going to pour right out. But when you come back, it's not going to be drizzling down the side. And they did the same thing for the lid. They made it the same way. So like as far as this, how it comes out, this is now going to kind of come up and then back. So it fits in really nice. So it's not going to be falling off. But what's cool about it is because they made the shape like this on the inside, all the condensation and all that flavor is going to come back down and then drip back into the pan, which is really nice. Not out of the pan, keeping it all in. So I love it.